How to log into X, formerly Twitter account. So let's get started. Firstly, visit Google Play Store on Android and App Store on iPhone. Then simply search for the X app and tap on the download or get option available there and download it to your mobile device. Once downloaded, you can see open option available. Launch the app to open on your device. On the home page or welcome screen, tap on click login option available there at the bottom in the blue highlights. If you want to log in using the credentials, username and password, then tap on the login. Or else you can simply go back to the home page and continue with Google or Apple. So I'm continuing my Twitter app with Apple. It will ask you for a Face ID, Touch ID or password authentication. Then that is it. You'll be logged into your X app. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.